Hey guys, Dr. Pascal and Dr. Dan here with Linden Woods Chiropractic. We just got back from our August break, and if you haven't been into the office, you wouldn't know that we're still in full swing here in our renovation.
So they're actually hard at work here. So they're putting up our ceiling as we speak. So we wanted to also go through with you a few other things. Number one is we're doing a Move Well workshop next Monday at 6:15, and there we just want to basically show you some easy movements that you could do to lead a healthy, active lifestyle. So we're going to be doing that starting here at 6:15 right here in the office. Bring some comfortable shoes because we will be moving, right? Number two is we are also taking part in the Linden Woods Fall Classic, which is on September 30th. There's a 10K, there's a 5K, there's a kids run. So we're trying to get as many people from our office and the community to take part and have a fantastic day.
So we hope to see you this Monday for our Move Well workshop. Come out so we can do some healthy movement as a group. And for the Fall Classic, we're trying to get 50 people from our office to do this run together. So please sign up. Let's get moving and get healthy together.
Have a great day.